Okay, so we have another refreshed kit from Microsoft. If you just look at like the colors and stuff, it's quite nice to see they're actually investing so much into this. So you have light mode, dark mode, super nice to see. And also I imagine everything else is quite uh, on point. Documentation quite a lot. So if you wanna use this as a library, probably you need to delete a bunch of stuff. But yeah, really well worked, well done on the details. When I tend to do Microsoft apps or stuff where I need Microsoft design, I tend to remove a bunch of stuff just because it slows down a bunch of stuff. Maybe optimize here and there the components. But yeah, these look really well done, covering all the situation like focus, disabled, error states. So yeah, it's really good to see they're investing in this. Interesting, they've updated only this one and iOS 1. Curious why, or maybe they just didn't get to the other ones. In any way, yeah, it's nice to see Microsoft investing again in these. One thing that's I kind not necessarily miss, but I usually like to see in their kits is actually examples of like pages that are already built. But it is what it is. Boom. Yeah, they have some examples here and there, but feel like they're a bit too small maybe. But yeah, you get a chance to see on how they're using it. And obviously you have all their web uh, products that I assume already use this. So yeah, again, good job. Very good kit, especially if you want to build something in the Microsoft ecosystem.